In the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, welcome back to the DrNajam Lectures. In this video, we will perform the Spica Bandage for the hip joint. So let's start. First of all, we will make the two circulations like this. After completing the two circulations, we go towards the gluteal region like this and come from the perineal region like this and again make the one circulation. And after that, make the second round like this. Should be superior from the previous one. Like this, and you're able to see here the spikes. That's why it is known as the Spica Bandage. And in the end, make the two circulations and fix it here. So this was all about the Spica Bandage of the hip. I hope that you like this video. Do subscribe to DrNajam Lectures.